Hello everyone. These are trying times and all of us need to be very patient and hope for the best. Use masks, wash hands regularly and maintain social distancing. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Eating healthy food and getting the proper amount of exercise and sleep will maintain the foundation of your being strong and keep your body up for the overall long haul. What are the food items which ensure good digestion? One should have whole meal bread, brown rice, various fruits and vegetables, beans if they suit you, and oats. Oats in particular are very helpful in digestion. There has to be enough fiber in a diet. Plant foods have fiber. These help us to stay regular. High fiber foods include vegetables, fruits, nuts and seeds, whole grains, beans and lentils. Increase your fiber slowly because in some people these fibers can cause a lot of bloating. Drink enough water because fiber soaks it up and there is less cramping and gas. Eat small frequent meals. Chew your food thoroughly to make your digestive system's job a little easier. Stop all sodas and cold drinks. Avoid sugar and fat as much as you can. Keep moving. Exercise is very important and has a significant role in digestion besides many other helpful roles that it has. Watch the timing of your exercise. Schedule your workout or any kind of exercise, yoga, etc. before meals, or wait for at least 2 hours after eating before you embark on your exercises. Probiotics or the good bacteria, they are in reasonable quantity in curd and curd based products. Have more curd, you can take some probiotic of your choice if you want. Avoid fats as I have told earlier. Second question is that is there any issue with eating eggs, meat and consumption of milk? Please do not give in to the rumors. अफवाहों पर ध्यान मत दें. As long as you ensure that the food passes through necessary quality checks, is washed and cooked thoroughly, you should be guaranteed that what you are eating is absolutely safe for consumption. And as of date, there is no evidence that food is likely source of route of transmission of COVID-19. Second frequent thought is it safe to eat if you're asking for home delivery, the food that you get? If ordering in, keep a check on level of hygiene and sanitation practiced by the servers and the chefs if you can. Good hygiene and cleaning are also important to avoid cross contamination between raw or undercooked food. This step is very crucial because rigorous cleaning and disinfecting can cut down the risk of cross contamination between undercooked and ready to serve foods in the kitchen, which is then served to the customers. So most important is maintaining hygiene. One thing you need to be careful about is touching items which come along with the delivered food, like utensils, plastic menu cards. These should not be touched. If possible, do not take them in your house or just throw them in the dustbin. Wash your hands. That is very important. If you buy vegetables from a vegetable vendor and you have some doubts, you can put these vegetables and fruits in baking soda for 10 minutes and water. That should take care of the virus, if any. Talking about home remedies for bloating, some of the useful carminatives, that is foods that reduce bloating, include ginger, that is adrak, cinnamon, which is dalchini, fennel seeds, which is saunf, basil, that is tulsi, and cumin, which is jeera. Use a lot of these. Then there are a lot of patients with irritable bowel syndromes who have a lot of bloating and gas. So there are certain foods which are rich in FODMAPs, which is an acronym or a short form for fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides and polyols. For an Indian diet, what you basically need to avoid is any kind of chana, that is chickpeas, chane ki dal, besan, rajma, spinach, cabbage, lettuce. Among the fruits, avoid watermelon. Banana is good, papaya is good, citrus fruits are good, they do not give any bloating or gas. Last but not the least, stay home, exercise, avoid sodas, avoid fat, eat small frequent meals, and be healthy. Thank you.